Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So today I want to show you guys this powerful bull market strategy which you can use to scalp the bull market and make tons of money using this strategy. Okay, so I have a trade on 1000 and I also have another trade here on crash here which is running into a massive profit. Okay, so this strategy right here can help you grow your small account and your big account if you make it of it wisely. And make sure you watch this video to the end because I'm going to give you guys all the conditions and what you do not do using this strategy. Okay, so if this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification, and if I post new strategy you guys will be aware. So with that being said, let's show you guys settings for the strategy before we dive into the uses of the strategy. Okay, so for the sake of the new trader, so I'll be deleting all the indicator up, so we are going to be start afresh. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is just go to the F icon. So when you get to the F icon, then click on the window plus and search for your envelope right here, which you can see. So click on the envelope and there is the properties. The period is 5, shift is 1, the deviation is 0.100, method is smoothed, apply to close, and the upper band I'm using the red color and the lower band I'm using the blue color, so you can just choose any color of your choice. So click on done when you add the envelope up. So to the next indicator, click on the F icon again, click on the window plus again and search for your RSI, which you can see right here. So click on the RSI and this is the properties. The period is 100, apply to close, and the levels, we need the 19 and the 10 levels, so I'm using the green color. Use any color of your choice for your levels, and make sure you set the RSI style as your background color. Okay, so click on done when you set it up, and this is how your chart is going to look like. Now to the next indicator, click on the F icon again, click on the indicator on the 1 plus, search for your search for moving average, search for your moving average and click on it. Now this is the properties for the moving average. The period is 1, method is exponential, apply to close, and I'm using the black color, so you can choose any color of your choice. So click on done when you add the moving average up, and it is going to be on your chart. Okay, so now to the last indicator, we click on the indicator in the 1 plus, we search for our envelope once again and click on it. Now the envelope should be the same as the first envelope that we add into our main chart. Now click on done when you add it up, and this chart is going to look like. Okay, so this chart is going to look like. Now how do you use this strategy to take trades? Okay, how do you use strategy to take trades? Now this strategy is very simple and straightforward. Okay, so all you have to do is that, let me use this area as an example where I took my trade from. So let me use it here as an example. Now the first thing you want to do is that you want to make sure that you pay attention to this. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is first wait for the both the moving average and the envelope to come to the 90 level, 10 levels of the RSI. So when the moving average and the envelope is at the 10 levels of the RSI, the next thing you want to do is you wait for the moving average to come and break above the envelope lines. Okay, when it break above this two line right here, which is the envelope line right here, then you patiently wait for it to come back and touch the envelope line again. Okay, after the moving average break above it, you wait for it to come back and touch the first envelope line, which is the red line, which you can see right here. Now after it touch it, then you look into your main chart. Okay, so after the moving average come back and touch the envelope line, you have see a spike. Okay, which is the spike right here. Okay, so now after you see that, then the next thing you want to do is just enter your trade immediately. Okay, you enter your trade immediately. Now one thing you have to note is that whenever you want to take a trade, you will always make sure that you see the price close above the first envelope line or close above the second envelope line. It just has to close above one of this envelope line here, and close above it like this one, those tiny close, then that is when you want to see the spike happens. Okay, if the spike happens outside before the price close inside this two envelope line, then that is not a clean entry. Okay, you always want to see it close inside the envelope line or above it, then spike. Okay, then after you see the spike, you enter a trade. When another candle opens, you enter your trades, and then you take your profits when you catch 10 to 20 candles and close your positions. Okay, so that's how to use this strategy. So let me show you guys more example. Okay, let me show you guys more example. Now we have another example right here. Okay, as you know, the first thing we want to see is the moving average and the envelope line at the 10 levels of the RSI. When we see that, then we want to wait for the moving average to come and break above the envelope line. When you break above the envelope line, you wait for it to spike back and touch the envelope line, either this line right here. When you touch it, then the next thing you want to do is to look into your main chart and then wait for the candles close inside the first or the second envelope line. You can see right here we have this second envelope line right here. Now after you see the candle close, you wait for a spike. Okay, now after you see the spike, then when another candle opens, you wait for first candle to count finished. Okay, always remember that when the market gives you a spike and it opens another candle, you always wait for a first candle to count, then you enter the second candle. Now for the stop loss, as long as the spike does not close below the last support area, the setup still valid. So you enter your trades and you catch all the candles. Remember, 20 to 10 candles is enough in this strategy. Okay, so let me show you guys a sample here on boom 1000. Okay, so 1000 is quite different to 1000 is quite different. Now the difference is that on boom 1000 we wait for a spike to open and break above the first envelope line, which is the red line. Now after this happens, we wait for a candle to close inside the envelope line. When candle closes inside, then you enter your trades and take your profits whenever you feel convenient. Okay, you can what is 10 20 candles and then you are done for the for that day. Okay, so now with this strategy you can able to catch 20 to 10 trades in a single day. Okay, so I hope you can find the video helpful. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification, and type in strategy. You guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.